Welcome to your favorite channel, Oneka TV. Oneka they clean, but he still be flex. Body they roll, vibe they connect, so bubbles fly. No party for sing. Every motion they sweet like drink. Positive energy anywhere she dey. Oneka they vibe even when she alone. No stress, no wahala for face. Oneka they glow steady, grace on grace. Now real life, no be acting scene. She dey serve, looks clean and serene. From the kitchen to the bedroom lights, every step she take it, they shine so bright. Fans they talk so we won't be like her. Soft spoken, sweet like sugar pet. Oneka queen of the home, no cap. Now real woman vibes, non stop. Oneka they cook, she dey clean, she dey vibe. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. Oneka the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense. Now real woman vibes, so she no fake now. Oneka dey for kitchen, the aroma dey choke. Any dish you want, she dey cook and best. It goes in salad and the soup you want. She sabi cook them all and you dey see I'm live. Na real Naija queen, she dey run the pot, but she still get business when they boom up fly. Orders they drop, money they align. She sabi clown, she dey balance and kind. Family dey smile, everything dey alright. No shouting, no stress for her zone. Oneka dey each other babe, say flip and make your home sweet. Then you hustle trend. Oneka be wife, she be mama, she be boss. Say they cook soup, where they make my loss. Oneka na light, she dey shine from sure. Now it's up away, you go for your phone more. Oneka dey cook, she dey clean, she dey vibe. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. Oneka the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense. Na real woman vibe, so she no fake now. God don't bless, so no pay you well, neck high, no be small. Every hustle she touch, she dey stand tall. Grace to follow her steps every day. From sunrise to sunset, she dey pave way. Her business the boom, favor the spread. Anywhere she enter, blessing her head. No be luck, na consistency. Oneka they pray, she dey work, she dey keep am clean. Family they smile of the overflow. Children they happy, like they glow. And we Oneka they balance am like a rope. With no shaking, no fear, she be the best of all. From the market to her handful, gotta lift her higher every time she deserve all the good will I go bring. Nigga move your Oneka they rain now, winning ring. Oneka they cook, she dey clean, she dey vibe. Soft life steady, she know I do. Every move where she make it, they shine. Oneka the lifestyle queen with the guide. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense. Na real woman vibe, so she no fake now. Every day na cruise, every day na flex. No wahala, no stress, she dey live her best. From the pot to the chop, she dey make no sense.